Hi everybody, we are Group C3. We present you the dark reaction of photosynthesis in C3 plants.
Photosynthesis in C3 plants? What's that?
Photosynthesis is the reaction between carbon dioxide and water which produce glucose as the main product and oxygen as the byproduct.
Energy for the reaction is taken from the sunlight. Green leaves can absorb the energy of different wavelengths of sunlight. Inside the chloroplast, light reaction and dark reaction are happen which completes the photosynthetic process.
NADPH, ATP, and oxygen are the ultimate results of the light reaction. Those ATP and NADPH provide energy for the dark reaction. C3 and C4 plants? What are the differences between them?
C3 plants fix and reduce an organic carbon dioxide into organic compounds using only the C3 pathway. The first organic compound in this path contains 3 carbon molecules. That is PGA. Since those plants are called as C3 plants. Similarly, C4 plants fix and reduce organic carbon dioxide into organic compounds using only the C4 pathway. The first organic compound in this path contains 4 carbon molecules. That is oxaloacetic acid. Since those plants called C4 plants. Dark reaction is a cyclic process called Calvin-Benson-Bassam cycle.
There are 3 stages in this cycle. Those are carboxylation, reduction and regeneration. RUBP converts into PGA using carbon dioxide and water. The reaction is induced by RUBP carboxylase enzyme. PGA reduces into PGAL using ATP and NADPH. Some amount of PGAL is used to synthesize glucose. Rest is remained to reproduce RUBP. In the final stage, PGAL is regenerated into RUBP using the energy of ATP. This is the complete reaction of Calvin-Benson-Bassam cycle.
In C3 plants, the primary CO2 acceptor is RUBP. The reaction is induced by RUBP carboxylase enzyme. In C4 plants, the primary CO2 acceptor is PEP. The reaction is induced by PEP carboxylase enzyme and RUBP carboxylase. In C3 plants, first stable product in the dark reaction is PGA, but in C4 plants it is oxaloacetic acid. The CO2 fixation occurs 1 time in C3 plants, but 2 times in C4 plants. In C3 plants, photorespiration occurs. It reduces the efficiency of photosynthesis, but not occur in C4 plants. In C3 plants, fixation of 1 molecule of CO2 requires 3 ATP and 2 NADPH. C4 plants require 5 ATP and 3 NADPH. Gran's anatomy is absent in C3 plants, but Gran's anatomy is present in C4 plants. In C3 plants, only granule-type chloroplasts are involved in the photosynthesis. In C4 plants, both granule and agranule types are involved.
Thanks for being with us. See you next time.
Created using Powtoon.